Hi, this is Steve again. Back to you today. We'll continue where we stopped. Okay. I know you all smiling down there. It tells me that you are ready. Happy faces, and we learn about the head in Kiluba, how to speak, to call those different parts of the head in Kiluba. We talked about hair, which is nuele, hair, nuele. We talk about pala, forehead. We talk about kofio. We talk about makiki, eyebrows. We talk about mulu. You remember that? I don't have to show the pictures, but we'll go back to the picture at some point. And for now, let's go forward so that we can learn something today. We'll talk about shingo. Okay, shingo is, we could talk about the whole body, is mubidi. Mubidi means body. Okay, Mubidi. I didn't write it down curiously. Mubidi, which is Mubidi. Mubidi. Okay, I didn't write it down. So, but that's what we're going to talk about, the whole body. And we took shingo. You see the neck. Shingo. This is shingo, written this way for those who like to write down. And shingo. Okay.
Shingo.
Yeah, not shingo. You come like it. This is shingo. Shingo, and then we have after shingo we have shoulders. A shoulder is dipuji. Say dipuji. Dipuji. Mapuji means shoulders. Okay. Dipuji, mapuji. We have the arm, the whole arm. It's called kuwoko, and if it's two, they are called mawoko. Okay. Very good, very good. You guys are paying attention and following everything. And then we have the hands, and it's dikasa. And then the plural, it's makasa when we talk about both. Okay? And so we're going forward. Very good. Then we have the chest. Okay? Chest. All right? The chest is kiadi. I haven't put plural or chest, which is biadi. Well, if you're counting many people's chest, you could say biadi. Yeah. So we're learning. We're not gonna be getting we're not gonna get deeper in the teaching of those parts of the body. This is not a medical school or nursing, anything like that. We try to just learn the language. If you have more vocabularies, the better it's gonna be for you to you're gonna speak easily, and the better it's gonna be easier it's gonna be for you to talk. And then we have the belly, divumo. Divumo or divumo. I think divumo or divumu. It's I think it's divumu. It should be with a U at the end, I believe, not divumo. Divumo. So you say divumo. So it means belly. Okay, and then mavumo. It's there are many of them. Okay, many bellies. Some people are writing down. If we have many bellies around, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so they become mavumo. Okay.
Mavumo.
Yeah. Then we have kifuka, which is the waist. Kifuka. Yeah. You'll be surprised you can find people, they call them kifuka, or those names can exist. Or if it's plural, many of them they call bifuka. Okay? And then we have I think the ribs, I can call it ribs, mbavu.
Yeah.
Mbavu. Mbavu. It's not mbavu. Mbavu. You say it once, that's enough. Mbavu, okay? Mostly they put M to differentiate. You need to be aware of it. When you pronounce a word like this, if M was not there, it would have been called Bavu. But because of the M, they say Mbavu. So the lips, the way you say it, it's completely different. Bavu, Mbavu. Bavu, Mbavu. So this is Mbavu with an M right at the beginning. Like somebody will say Ngoi. Ngoi. It's not Nengoy, it's Ngoi. No, let's go back to our topic. So we have the back, okay? The back, somebody's back. I have a picture here, but it doesn't show the back. We will talk about the back, then we'll come back to the picture. And Nyuma, it's what they call back, okay? So my back will be called Nyuma, okay?
Nyuma.
You understand?
Yes.
Nyuma, okay? Then we have after Nyuma, and I thought we can talk about this because when the children, anyone has a bat, so we talk about bat, which is one bat is called ditako, and then two bats are called matako. Here, can you look? Ditako is one bat, and then two bats is matako. Yeah, I don't want to skip that part. And then we continue, and we also have this, which is dikuta. Dikuta is thigh. The thigh, where we put when you're carrying a baby, you can put a baby on your dikuta on the thigh, and so this part of the part, I don't know how to show it. We can show it here. The dikuta could be this place. When somebody's sitting and put somebody dikuta there. Then we have
Lap.
Lap, yeah, I think exactly lap could work. On the lap, on the thigh, or on the lap, I think that's probably more functional, more applicable. And so after that, we have, we're gonna talk about the leg itself. Leg. So we're gonna talk about those legs. They are called kulu. Say kulu. Kulu. And then if in plural is maulu. Say maulu. Yeah. If many of them they're maulu. If it's one, they say kulu. Then and after that we have which I almost skip. It's the knee. Knee. It's this part. I have to show people are watching from far. We have knee. It's this part, the place which makes putting together the thigh and the leg. Okay, with the patella and all things. But you just need to answer. We have knee in the middle. Okay.
Knee.
Yeah, knee. We want kunwi, they call it kunwi. Let me show you.
How do you spell
Kunwi, it's written this way. Okay? If two of them will be manwi. Okay? Manwi. The plural is manwi. So we have kunwi and manwi. Then after that, we have I just put the munenge. People talk about munenge wa kulu. Munenge wa kulu. It's mostly, I think we're talking about munenge. It's this part of the leg. And let me show you. Somewhere there. Okay? This part of the leg between the foot and the knee. That's munenge. Munenge wa kulu. Then we have, after munenge wa kulu, we have kinyantilo. Kinyantilo. It's I call it the planter of the foot. The bottom here, the bottom. When you walking in the bottom there, what's touching the floor? It's what called it's the feet. So with your foot on the bottom, the foot is the planter of the foot, and okay. We have the palm that's become really medical, and that's palm, and then the other side is the planter under, and then so the planter is called kinyantilo, okay. Many of them is gonna be binyantilo. Hello, you understand that? Okay, thank you. Then I also talk about the talus, okay, the talus, which is when you walk, is this part of the foot. I went a little bit deeper. I'm not supposed to really. It's not that important, I guess, for many people. But you need to know all those where there are too many things to learn. I'm not gonna go deeper and deeper, and we get lost. And so it's the bottom of the foot. And let me see if I can put a little picture there very quick. I don't want to lift my foot and show what's going on. And so it goes this way. I just want to see it's this part, okay? I think this part of the foot is called nyantil. Then we have what they call dina. Dina, it's one of them. The toe, a toe is called dina, okay? Dina. Where is that? Just a second. Dina is a toe, okay? Mana, toes, okay? Mana, toes. And I also wrote something, I don't see it. I also talk about kiala. I don't know where I put that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I also talk about kiala, okay? We have kiala or diala. I think diala it said. If anyone has something different, can help me to really teach well. Diala. Diala, it's mostly, it's a nail, okay? The nails. We have nails. If you have many of them, it's mala, okay? Mala are many of them. Diala, it's one, okay? So we went through everything. I believe we had too many things to teach at this point. Too many things to teach, but we really cover many of them. If by the grace of God you work hard, you retain these things, I believe that you understand everything they'll talk about concerning a person's body, a human body, at least what you see. And so we did everything. I don't know if I need to repeat them. There are too many details. Let's go a little bit quicker this time, and we'll make it. The revision will be quick. We're already at 13 minutes, and we're gonna go through the revision very soon. But for now, I guess we did what we could. I think it's good to have a break, and we'll continue to revise. We will continue in a few seconds. We're gonna have a little break.